this kind of what you expected, or tell me why you decided on the plea deal?
Well, it was done with the Salt Lake County District Attorney's Office, Sim Gill's office. We've been working for a while together on this. Once we knew that Mr. Doyel was restored to competency, we thought this was a good way to resolve the case that saves the family a lot. That's our real motivation here is for our victims. But it also ensures that Mr. Doyel never sees the light of day. Once he serves his 30 years in federal prison, if he's still alive, he would have to come back to the state of Utah and serve the remainder of his sentence, which is likely a life sentence, at the Utah State Prison. So Mr. Doyel's never going to get out of prison to do this to anybody ever again.
I heard you say something to the effect that we believe maybe he's done this sort of thing before. Can you speak to that? Is he under investigation for any other cases out there?
He was at the time, and the basis for that was when Mr. Doyel was arrested, he had carved his victim's name in his arm, Deborah Jones. The investigators noticed that there were other names carved in his arm, and we know he had built several women of their money and credit cards, so we tried to look into that. Unfortunately, the scars were so old we could not identify any names, and we couldn't link him to any other missing persons.
But do you believe that he did do this?
I don't know. I wish I knew. If we could show that, we definitely would join forces with any local prosecutors. Unfortunately, we could not do that.
Those cases remain open should any new evidence emerge?
There are no cases associated with Mr. Doyel and any other crimes of violence out there.
Thank you very much, Carlos.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.